Today I will talk about a scalping strategy. We will go ahead and explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working. This strategy includes 5 free trading view indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. RSI. We need to change some settings. We need to add whole suite indicator on our RSI indicator. Then we need to change the length of whole suite. (227 SMA). (14 SMA). And ATR bands for stop loss. We need to change some settings. Now our strategy is ready. Let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid, close above slow and fast SMA. RSI must be above the whole suite line and color doesn't matter. The RSI cross over the MA. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be on ATR. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, close below slow and fast SMA. RSI must be below the whole suite line and color doesn't matter. The RSI cross under the MA. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be on ATR. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. Any of you who would like to use this strategy, you can find it for free on our Discord channel. You can find there all the codes on strategies section. There are also some market technical analysis, interesting market news, and free signals. You can ask all the questions or tell us to code your own strategy, and we'll try our best to help you. So don't hesitate to join our community. Let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 59%. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. So you can use it but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.